If your Windows machine is refusing to send audio down that HDMI cable, leaving you in silence, let's fix that so you can finally hear your movies and games. First, we need to check if Windows is even trying to send audio through HDMI. Right-click on the sound icon in your system tray, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu that pops up, select Sounds. In the Sound window, go to the Playback tab here. You'll see a list of all your audio output devices. Look for your HDMI output. It might be labeled with your monitor's name or something generic like NVIDIA High Definition Audio or AMD High Definition Audio. If you see it, right-click on your HDMI device and select Set as Default Device. You should now see a green check mark next to your HDMI device, indicating it's the one Windows is using for sound. If it wasn't the default, this might have been your problem. Try playing some audio now. If you still don't have sound, don't worry, we have more steps. Next, let's make sure your HDMI audio drivers are working correctly. Press the Windows key and the letter X at the same time to open the Power User Tasks menu. Then, select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the section that says Audio Inputs and Outputs. Locate your HDMI audio device, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, under the General tab, it should say this device is working properly. If it doesn't, or if there's a yellow exclamation mark next to it, you have a driver issue. To try and fix driver issues, right-click on your HDMI audio device again and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the best driver for your hardware. If that doesn't work, or if you know your graphics card manufacturer like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, you can visit their website to manually download the latest drivers. Let's also quickly check the volume levels. Go back to your system tray, right-click the sound icon, and select Open Volume Mixer or Open Sound Settings. Make sure the volume for your HDMI output isn't muted or turned all the way down. You can also check the individual application volumes in the Volume Mixer. One final check with your HDMI device still set as default in the Sound Control panel. Click the Test button. You should hear a sample sound. If you do, but still no sound from your content, the issue might be with the specific application you're using, or even the HDMI cable itself. Try a different HDMI cable if possible. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying seamless audio through your HDMI connection. That's it for this quick fix.